Hello, and welcome to showing you around the Google Plus community. When you do post to this community, to the PPS Collaborative, please make sure that you are meta tagging. So meta tagging looks like this. You go in, you make a post, and say, for instance, you wanted to create a picture, or you wanted to attach a picture of some really cool stuff, maybe demonstration materials, whatever. You can put in a description, and when you've done that, you can also highlight certain aspects of it that can be basically meta tagging or hashtagging. So in this case, I have test description. So you would go on and describe within a caption and such. And then you would put the pound sign or hashtag, and then any word that you deem important that other colleagues could search our community. So in this case, maybe I would want to hashtag Chromebooks. This is third grade, and keep it in no spaces. Third grade. You might even want to do hashtag PPS, TechSmart. Or you could do, for instance, if it was something about the language arts materials adoption, it was a specific publisher, whether it was units of study or words their way, you could also do that. And then when you click post, it's going to, you can also pick a category that Justin has already set up for you. In this case, third grade, cool, it's posted. And now over on the left-hand side, you can actually search our community. And you could say third grade, and you don't have to put the hashtag in the search. And you enter, then the third grade. This is actually a duplicate, but this is, but you could do that. So, but anytime third grade was mentioned, yep. So there you go. Hope this helps.